Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Adding Python to the Path Variable in Windows. Introduction. When you install Python on your Windows machine, the Python interpreter is usually not automatically added to the system's path variable. This means that you cannot run Python commands from the command prompt or PowerShell without navigating to the Python installation directory. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of adding Python to the path variable, making it accessible globally from any command prompt. Step 1. Locate the Python installation directory. Firstly, you need to find out where Python is installed on your system. The default installation directory is typically something like c/usersyourusername /appdata /local/programs /python 3x, where x represents the version number. Step 2. Copy the Python installation path. Copy the path to the Python installation directory, as you will need to add it to the path variable. Step 3. Open System Properties. Step 4. Open Environment Variables. Step 5. Edit the path variable. Step 6. Add Python to the path. Step 7. Verify the installation. Open a new command prompt or PowerShell window and type. If Python has been added to the path successfully, you should see the installed Python version. Congratulations! You have successfully added Python to the path variable on your Windows machine. Now you can run Python commands from any command prompt without having to navigate to the Python installation directory. Note, if you are using a different operating system, example Mac OS or Linux, the steps are different. Consult the documentation for your specific operating system for instructions on adding directories to the system path variable. ChatGPT.